The next bull run? Time to load up and buckle up. Despite the hot summer weather in many parts of the world, the cryptocurrency market remains chilly. While some see the latest crypto winter as a buying opportunity, particularly for those who missed out on the final quarter of 2021, others have succumbed to fear, selling or thinning out their holdings. The next crypto bull run, on the other hand, is unavoidable. It's not a question of if it will happen, but when. If you understand how markets work, you know that they move in cycles, and understanding this fundamental premise about how markets work will keep you warm during the coldest crypto winter months. Hey investors, welcome back to Crypto Gems, where in today's video we are going to discuss when does the next crypto bull run start. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. And before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell symbol. That way you never miss out on any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's get started. Recognizing market cycle. Bitcoin's greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time it falls, Confucius famously said. Many things were clear to him, including market cycles. Markets, as experienced traders will tell you, move in cycles, and being able to identify market cycles is one of the keys to long-term success as a trader. To become a good trader, you must first understand how crypto markets work and how to use market cycles to make consistent profits. Understanding cycles is essential for price prediction and forecasting because they have a predictable structure. The cyclical structure of prices allows traders to make price predictions. To identify the longer-term cycle and the current price trend, multiple time frame analysis and the concept of cycles within cycles can be used. Understanding the constituent parts of a market cycle, accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown, will keep you from being caught off guard and will allow you to capitalize on price movements when one phase segues into the next. The obvious example here being the next bull run. What exactly is a bull market? If you began investing in 2008, you have experienced the longest bull market in history, which has been bookended by the 2008 global financial crisis and the recent COVID-19 pandemic. What exactly is a bull market or bull run? It simply means that prices in a market, stocks, cryptocurrency, or otherwise, are rising. Morningstar Inc. determined that the average bull market lasted approximately 8.5 years in their analysis of the stock market over a period of roughly 90 years, with a 20% increase from a stock's low generally signaling the beginning of a bull market. What exactly is a crypto bull run? A bull market or bull run, the two terms are interchangeable, frequently emerges during the periods of investor pessimism, making the current crypto bear market ripe for a return to bull market territory. During an actual bull market, investor confidence is high, with most investors buying, demand outpacing supply, and prices rising. In 2021, a textbook case of a cryptocurrency bull run occurred, with the May 2021 crash duly noted. Cryptocurrency prices soared for the majority of the year, with many reaching all-time highs in November 2021. At the time, celebrities such as Matt Damon, Reese Witherspoon, LeBron James, Gwyneth Paltrow, and Larry David, among others, seemed to be hyping cryptocurrency because it was so hot. It is important to understand that bull runs can be both abrupt and gradual. A sustained upward slope in prices over a long period of time is possible, as is a sudden spike in prices. Greater or equal to 20% is considered the general rule of thumb. Previous cryptocurrency bull runs. When we talk about previous crypto bull runs, we really mean Bitcoin bull runs, because crypto waters still rise and fall depending on how BTC moves. Analysts generally believe that Bitcoin moves in 4-year cycles, with various off-chain factors influencing price movements, such as regulatory concerns or geopolitical instability. Bull runs in Bitcoin. When Satoshi Nakamoto presented the world with his concept and the technology underlying Bitcoin, its value was $0. The price had risen to 9 cents by 2010. The price had risen to 10 cents by October of 2010. An 11% increase in less than a year isn't impressive, but it's clearly not a bull run. Bitcoin experienced its first bull run in 2011, with its price rising from $1 to $32, a staggering increase of more than 3,200%. Such astounding numbers, however, were fleeting. Bitcoin's price had dropped to $2 by November of 2011. While 2012 was not a year of dramatic bull runs in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin did end the year at $13. On a one-year basis, the growth was significant by any standard, 650%, not found in stocks or metals. Bitcoin had reached $1,000 by 2013, 2016 before falling back to $530. Another year-long bull run with a growth of 4,076% can be seen here, and no other asset class was growing at anything close to this rate. However, between 2014 and 2016, Bitcoin experienced a bear market with significant price fluctuations. Only in May of 2017 did the price of Bitcoin reach $10,000. Bitcoin's price briefly reached a new all-time high of $19,783.06 on December 17, 2017. Days later, by December 22nd, the price of Bitcoin fell below $11,000, a 45% drop from its peak. A cryptocurrency bubble had formed as a result of bulls and bears. While the overall price of Bitcoin has risen year after year, there have been significant fluctuations. Regardless, there has been progressing through thick and thin. We are currently experiencing a bear market, but as you should be aware, markets move in cycles. All bear runs are followed by bull runs, as so many Bitcoin maximalists have claimed throughout BTC's volatile price swings. Cryptocurrency and government regulations. Governments continue to be divided on cryptocurrencies, with some, like China, outright prohibiting them, while others, like El Salvador, buy the BTC dip for $15 million. More broadly, the European Union announced its Markets and Crypto Assets initiative in June 2022, with a goal of bringing crypto assets, crypto asset issuers, and crypto asset service providers under a regulatory framework for the first time. If regulatory clarity is brought to the crypto sphere, it may entice investors who have been wary of falling foul of compliance. Inflation of crypto and fiat currencies. According to various media outlets, the Turkish lira has lost approximately 47% of its value in the last full year. Inflation in the United States has also risen significantly, approaching a 40-year high of 8%. Certain European countries are experiencing record levels of inflation, owing in part to skyrocketing energy prices. Globally, most fiat currencies are experiencing inflation, which may drive an increasing number of people to convert to Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. When does the next crypto bull run start? Wouldn't it be great to be able to forecast the next bull run? Bear runs, according to Vitalik Buterin, the founder of the Ethereum network, are beneficial to cryptocurrencies because they allow developers to focus on the underlying technology because there's less short-term speculative attention. Widespread adoption may fuel the next crypto bull run, as the development of a supporting Bitcoin infrastructure may make crypto more accessible and usable. A similar dynamic is at work with electric cars and the critical infrastructure needed to charge them. The greater the number of users and use cases that BTC has, the more valuable it becomes. A willingness by investors to put their money in financial offerings such as Bitcoin EFTs, in addition to consumer confidence, could contribute to the next crypto bull run. Whatever factor or combination of factors triggers the return of the crypto bull market, the coins themselves will be at the forefront of the surge. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Feel free to let us know what you thought about the video, and if you liked it, then please leave us a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And make sure you share it with all your friends and family and fellow crypto investors or those who may be interested in doing so in the future. Hey, you can also press that bell icon on your way out the door. That way you are always notified when we have a new upload for you to check out. Thanks for spending time out of your busy day to hang out with us today, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.